Odyssey and Rabu. Harshul, Rabu, Odyssey. Alright. Rabu, Harshul, Rabu, Odyssey. Harshul, Rabu, Odyssey. They are out here with me and you at Disney. Harshul, Rabu, Odyssey. The boys say she is the most beautiful girl they'll ever see. Really? Come on over. Let me tell you, mister. These boys say they want to grow up to be awesome like their sister. And I hope that all their dreams someday come true. Odyssey, Harshul, and Rabu. We're gonna have fun at Disney, me and you. We thought we saw Goofy. Odyssey says that's Harshul. Harshul, Rabu, and Odyssey. Out here today with me and you at Disney. On holiday with me and you at Disney. Chilling here at Disney. Round of applause for Harshul, Rabu, and Odyssey.